Here, the concept of stripping, that is, deleting the first trade, is introduced. We explain why it is sometimes needed and how to activate it. Also, the rules that it applies are listed. Examples complete the description. It can happen that boundary conditions to be different on the very first trade, resulting in unexpected behavior for the very first trade. If you identify such an eventuality, you might want to strip or delete the very first trade. In order to activate this option, select the checkbox Strip First Trade. Suppose you are implementing a simple trading system where you want to go long as soon as the price goes above its exponential moving average, and go short as soon as the price goes below its exponential moving average. So you can select the elementary algorithms, long tab, close greater than moving average of exponential moving average, short tab, close less than moving average of exponential moving average. The intent is clear, but at the very first trade what happens is not what we want. This is because of two reasons. The first is that if we select a look-back period of n bars for the exponential moving average, for the first n-1 bars the exponential moving average is unknown. The second reason is that the elementary algorithms are true throughout the period in which the close is greater or less than the EMA, not just when the price EMA crossing occurs. So the very first trade happens too late, anyway not according to our intentions. To avoid this, you can activate the Strip the First Trade option to solve the problem. As a side note, this is just what the Step option is for. In this particular case, you could activate the Step option instead of the stripping of the first trade. Trading Conceiver makes sure that the stripping of the first trade brings two congruent results. If after the first long or short trade there is a liquidate, that liquidate is deleted as well. If not, the sequence of trading would start with a liquidate, which would be meaningless. Stop loss and take profit exist only when the position is open. When the first trade is deleted, the correspondent stop loss and take profit, if any, are deleted as well. Both the flags, different signals and different thresholds are reset too, consistently with the fact that no trade occurs. The column of the table showing the signals for each subinterval is reset in correspondence of the stripped signals. The strip occurs only on traded signals, whilst the combined tab signals are unmodified. This way they can still be analyzed and still give the trading signal, which, by the way, has been stripped off. For the profit and loss, the important fact is not what is reset and what is not. The fundamental concept is that the first trade is not factored into the profit and loss computation. This functionality is applied before of the following, if any: only at close shift to close, only at next open, selected in the pane when to trade. If we run the same simulation once without the Strip the First Trade option selected, and the other with the option selected, we obtain these results. The first trade is stripped off, together with the ensuing liquidate signal. The stop loss relative to the deleted trade is deleted as well. The signals for each subinterval are reset. The same thing in the charts. The signals are deleted. And so is the stop loss level.